All right. You know, I've always seen people on YouTube shoot these videos, so I'm gonna do one of my own. Anyways, this is a Seree. I got this camera off of Amazon for 60 bucks. $60. That's a good price. My hand. My hand is a hand. It is black. You got your cord. Got some papers. A disc. Got the book. Yeah, I got it on sale. In actuality, I got the camera's normally $90. There she is. Pull the camera out. Move the box out the way. Ooh. Ooh, got it all wrapped in tissue and everything. I don't know what that's not tissue. That's that nice paper. Not paper, but I can't think of what this stuff is called. But anyways. There she is. There she is. Seree. It's HD quality. This bad boy has a bunch of stuff. I'm not sure everything it has, but it's 1080 at 1080, and it shoots 30 frames a second. So the little camera is pretty good, and it has night vision. So anybody say sex tape? Yeah, right. Believe me, my wife would kill me if I ever put anything like that on the internet. So there you have it. Have the Seree HD camera. Got it off of Amazon on sale. See, we got some other little knick-knack bric-a-brac in here. Got power cords and stuff. And the lithium battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this camera and charge it up. Oh, I even have a remote. How about that? So I can position my camera when I want to get my funky on my old lady. Woo, it's on. Yeah, right. All right. This is the amazing vlogger. Even though my son gave me that name. Sign out. There you have it. Start shooting some more videos with my new camera. Ooh, hang on. There it is. There it is. All right. Love, peace, and chicken grease.